I'm Josh, and we are Exhibit Today. Here we are at the SMX Mall Convention, celebrating PhilConstruct 2024. And here we are at the booth of Philips. And can you please go ahead and introduce yourself, sir?
Hello, I'm Jerry Kumbahen from Larks Trading, leading innovation of smart locks and smart safe.
Thank you very much, sir. I do see here at my back that yes, I do see some smart locks. Can you please can give them like the details or like a summary on what product are you trying to introduce into the market?
So here, we offer Philips Smart Lock to help every client maging innovative and convenient yung mga everyday life po nila. So dito sir, meron tayong in-offer from 50,000 to 12,000 na digital door lock, from futuristic face recognition access to basic rim lock type po. Yes, and we also offer Philips Safe. Some of our safe po is fireproof na, and meron din po kaming mga bedside table design na suitable for for mga room po.
Rooms, yes.
Rooms.
Okay. Can you please tell me like how long has this product's been introduced here?
So since na-acquire po namin yung exclusive distributorship ni Philips from 2021, but Philips is legacy brand na siya, 133 years na siyang kilala sa worldwide, sir. Yan. So in person is nakuha muna namin yung exclusive distributorship ni Digital Smart Lock, and then last year lang nakuha din namin si Philips Smart Safe po. Yes. And ang kagandahan sa mga product namin, sir, is sa Philips is nag-offer sila ng 2 years warranty, and syempre yung brand na Philips mismo, sir.
Okay.
Mapagka talagang trusted for 133 years na po.
Okay. Question lang. I mean, it's just like within my thought process na, because I do see Ace like big hardwares like Ace Hardware, MC Depot. Since you're saying that you guys are the exclusive distributor, so kayo ba ang nag-distribute ng mga products na yun?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, meron kaming mga partner sa mga e-commerce, sir, tsaka sa sa mga trades, like Ace Hardware. Diyan, yeah. Hanggang Cebu, meron po kami diyang branch. Meron din kami sa Abenson, MC Home Depot. Yan. So, Philips is well-known na po sa Philips Smart Lock is well-known na po sa buong Pilipinas.
Yeah, I always see every products of these like from major hardwares.
Yes po.
Kita po talaga.
Yes po.
Yes. And can you please give a quick shout out sa mga to the people who's behind of making this happen?
Yun ang mga actually sa mga boss ko, tsaka kay Sir Benson Victorio. Siya yung nag-ano nito, yung nag-prepare this sa exhibit na to. Yun.
Okay, sir. One last question. Can you please tell them like if you have a page or a social media page that they can reach you out with, like from websites?
So sa page, sir, is meron tayo sa search nyo lang po sa Facebook page namin, Larks Trading. Meron din kaming website, www.larkstrading.com.ph. They can also purchase and order there, sir. And marami pa kaming website like meron din kaming page pala. Marami din kaming page like Philips ECK page Philippines po. Yeah.
So when they try to order from you, you're the ones who's gonna deliver them. Like this was locally, because tama po ba?
Yes po. Bali po siya, sir.
So instead of like them ordering it online, like internationally, na para ma-ship pa nila,
actually,
you can just reach you out na lang instead.
Yes, sir. Dun sa website na lang, sir. And nag-install naman kami sa mga nearest province sa Metro Manila, syempre sa Metro Manila din,
yes.
And sa Cebu. Actually, meron na din po kami, umaabot na din po kami hanggang Davao City.
Ah, that was okay.
Yes.
That's great to hear. Again, thank you very much, Sir Derek.
Thank you, sir.
And I would like to thank our major sponsors, BNU, and to our executive producer, Sir Rick Angeles, and to our major host, Sir Hernan Falcon. Just want to say God bless. Thank you.